Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how you can log in into your Gmail on a computer which is not yours safely. The reason why you have to know this is sometimes you don't want to leave your email on someone's computer like this. Okay, you don't want your personal email to remain in a computer like this. Okay, we have a video where we did how you can remove this email from this list. Now in this video we're going to see how you can log into a computer which is not yours, or even if it's yours but you don't want to leave a history of your email on that PC. Okay, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you're using a computer if you're using a browser, most cases if you're using a PC, it means that PC you're going to use a browser. There is Chrome, there's Mozilla. So I'm using Mozilla. When you're in Mozilla, there's what they call a private session. Every browser has a private session. If you're in Mozilla, you have to go on these three dashes. Let me click there. Then you have to click on New Private Window. New Private Window, it means whatever you're going to do on the private window, it's going to be a private session. When you log out, those details won't be kept. Okay? You'll be logged out. There will be no history of you doing anything on that browser if you use the private session. Okay, so it's the same even when you're using Chrome. For example, if you go to Chrome, even Chrome has every browser has a private session. In Chrome, you have to go on the top right. There's those three dots. Then you click on New Incognito window. Okay, Incognito mode means you are browsing the internet privately. Okay, whatever you're going to do there when you're logging in, your logging in session will be, even the details will be deleted after when you close that window or tab. Okay, so let's go back to Mozilla. We're going to do this in Mozilla. So I'm going to click here, new private window. I'm going to go to my gmail.com. When I'm on my Gmail, I'm going to log into my Gmail. Okay, now you realize actually here there are some emails which are appearing, but these emails are appearing because they used the normal browsing without using the private session. So you can easily actually log into this account. Okay, let me actually log into an account here. Okay, uh, which I normally use here. So let me put in a password. So okay, it's this. So let me put in a password. It shares the password as that email. Okay, that's why so this email is London Sky 2025. I've managed to log in here. When I let me sign out here. You realize actually here it's the only email which is here. Whereas actually when you go back to the normal browser, here there are many. But here doesn't have the other email which we have logged in for London. So it means what happens in a private session is private. And when I cross this tab, this history will be lost. Okay, so when I click here, let me come here, let me go to my gmail.com. And you realize actually there's nothing like London Sky 2015. The reason why is I logged in using a private session. So private session, whatever I do on a private session doesn't come this side, okay? And also the private session was ended. So when I go back to the private session, even if I go back to gmail.com, let me first go there. You realize actually there's no history of, here it doesn't show the history of London Sky, okay? They kind of delete it out. So it's like a new session. So always make sure after browsing within the private browsing session mode, you have to close that window, because if you don't close that window, that history still someone can retrieve it. So that's how you can log in safely onto other people's computers without leaving history of your email on those browsers. Okay, thank you, and If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video and see you guys in the next video. Okay? Bye bye.